Hello friends. Today I will share with you Top 5 Best Digital Microscopes for Electronics and Soldering. So let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
Andonstar A210 Digital Microscope. The Andonstar A210 offers a 10.1-inch adjustable LCD with a 12MP camera and 260x magnification. Designed for soldering and electronics work, it features an LED light for clear visibility and 1080p video output for detailed inspections. The advantages of this digital microscope are high-quality imaging, adjustable display, suitable for electronics and soldering. The disadvantages of this digital microscope are bulky design, pricey compared to alternatives.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
Electronics Microscope for Soldering. This electronics microscope provides 1080p resolution with VGA/USB and HDMI connectivity. Equipped with a 130x zoom lens and LED lighting, it's perfect for cell repair and other detailed electronic tasks. Its robust stand ensures stability during use. The advantages of this digital microscope are multiple connectivity options, stable and durable stand. The disadvantages of this digital microscope are limited to electronic tasks.
At number 3.
Elikliv EM 4K Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EM 4K features a sharp 8-inch display and 52MP camera, offering up to 2000x magnification. Perfect for coin collectors and electronics enthusiasts, it provides a detailed 4K view for precision tasks. Ideal for both beginners and advanced users. The advantages of this digital microscope are ultra-high magnification, 4K resolution for sharp imaging, suitable for various applications. The disadvantages of this digital microscope are expensive, larger footprint.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2.
4K Electronic Digital Microscope. This 4K electronic digital microscope is designed for soldering and industrial work, offering 1080p HDMI, VGA, and USB outputs. With a 150x lens and a foldable bracket, it provides flexibility and remote control operation. Perfect for detailed inspections in various electronic tasks. The advantages of this digital microscope are multiple output options, remote control functionality. The disadvantages of this digital microscope are complex setup.
At number 1.
Andonstar A210 Digital Microscope. The Andonstar A210 is a digital microscope with a 10.1-inch IPS display, offering 12 million pixels and 260x magnification. Ideal for soldering, its LED lighting provides clarity, while the adjustable LCD allows for easy viewing of PCBs and SMDs. The 1080p resolution ensures detailed imaging for precise work. The advantages of this digital microscope are high-resolution display, adjustable LCD. The disadvantages of this digital microscope are limited portability.